Before we look at the special segments in a triangle, I want to look at this set of data. This set of data can be described many ways. If I had to pick one number to describe this set of data, I would be describing the center of that data. Now there's more than one center of data, so I'm going to call these the centers of data. If I had to describe this set of numbers with one number, one of the ways I could do that is to find the average of these numbers. The average of a set of numbers is called the mean. To find that mean, I add up all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. So the average of this set of numbers is 9.71. Now the average isn't the only way to find the center of the data. I could also look at the median. The median is the middle number. Much like driving down a 4-lane highway and the strip of grass down the middle of the road is called the median, the middle number is the median, the middle of this set of data. So the first thing that I need to do to find the median is write this set of numbers in order from smallest to biggest. And then I need to find the middle number. So the median, the middle number, is 9. And the third way to find the center of the data is to look at the mode. The mode is the number that happens the most often. If I look at this set of numbers, 8 happens the most often. The mean, the median, and the mode are all ways to describe this set of numbers by looking at its center. And I can find each one of these slightly different. They're all useful, they all have their uses, but I find them just a little bit different. All of these are known as the measures of central tendency. The special segments in a triangle try to find the middle of these triangles, and much like the centers of data, there's more than one way to find the center of the triangle, to find the middle of the triangle. The first special segment starts with the midpoint of one of the sides and connects the vertex of the angle to the midpoint of the side opposite that vertex. So the first special segment that finds the middle of the triangle is called the median. To help you remember this, think median, middle, midpoint. Just like the median is the middle number, the median connects from the vertex to the middle, the midpoint of the side opposite. Another special segment that tries to find the center of a triangle starts at a vertex and connects to the opposite side, but as it connects to the opposite side, it bisects the angle. It bisects this vertex. This is called the angle bisector. And to separate it from any old angle bisector, we're going to call it the angle bisector of a triangle. A third way to find the center, the middle of these triangles, is to start at a vertex and connect to the opposite side, but connect straight there. Get from this vertex to this opposite side as quickly as possible. To cover this distance as quickly as possible, I'm going to have to find the shortest line between this point and this segment, and the shortest line is going to be this perpendicular segment. that perpendicular segment is called the altitude of a triangle. To help you remember altitude, think of height. If I talk about the altitude above sea level, that's the height above sea level. The altitude of a triangle is really the triangle's height. And the fourth and final way to find a special segment that finds the center, the middle of a triangle, we're going to start with the midpoint. But instead of connecting to a vertex, we're going to connect straight up, creating a perpendicular segment. This is known as the perpendicular bisector. And to separate it from just a regular old perpendicular bisector, it's going to be the perpendicular bisector of a triangle. The four special segments in a triangle find the middle, find the center of these triangles. And there's more than one, just like there was more than one center of a set of numbers.